welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. We're not inside the stitchery today, we're in my bedroom because I have been under the weather. So that's just where we are. Spoonie life, what you gonna do? So if you can tell our little theme today, I have my sweet beluga whale. This is Beatrice. This is my little tiny Ursula from my Tsum Tsum collection. I'm wearing purple on behalf of Miss Ursula, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been up to, and some of you have asked about some of the health stuff, but we'll wait for that to the end. Let's do the fun stuff first, okay? Here we go. So, what have I been up to? Well, before all of this happened, I planned to go see The Little Mermaid live action movie. I went full force mermaid. I've got a Broadway bear that represents mermaid. She'll be coming out in a couple weeks. It'll be June, but that's life. It was for May, so just, yeah. And then I've got other things I'm about to show you. There's very much a theme here. So first of all, I want to show you this. I forgot to write down the pattern for this, but if you guys really want me to make a tutorial for it, I can try and recreate it. But does anyone know what this is? I made Ursula's necklace. I'm gonna get my thread and loop it. So yeah, it's Ursula's necklace. Oh wait, I think it's backwards. This way? I don't know, here's a picture. And then of course, what is Ursula without her babies? I only have one so far. I'm working on the other one. This is my pattern. I'm so proud of it, you guys. I love it so much. I don't know if this is Flotsam or Jetsam. I never remember which is which. But anyway, this is Flotsam and or Jetsam. I'm so proud of him. I think he turned out awesome. So, his eye, I bet you're wondering, this is a brad, like from your office supplies, but they have colored ones, and I found out you could use them like safety eyes, so I tried it. I think it looks cool. And his little teeth. I think he looks awesome. So I was gonna go to the movie in a purple top, my black dress with spaghetti straps, pin him and his brother, I think it's his brother, to the straps, and then wear the necklace. So that was my plan. So I used to collect Tsum Tsums. Well, I still kind of do. I collect the like my favorite movies. So I have almost all of the Little Mermaid ones. Show you my collection over here if you want. So they never made a Flotsam and Jetsam. Don't you guys think I should make a Flotsam and Jetsam for her? Like little baby ones? She needs them, right? And I also really want to make the seahorse, Harold. Isn't he cute? I want to make him so badly. Should I make him? Let me know in the comments. Should I make Harold? I think I should make Harold. I'm just curious. Are there any other Tsum Tsum collectors out there? Just wondering. Because I don't know why Disney stopped making them. They're so cute. Come on. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, they gave her 8. This is a Disney product. Oops. They did remember her little beauty mark though. That's cute. But if you're a Tsum Tsum collector, let me know. And email me. I'd love to talk Tsum Tsums with you. Okay. But you probably want to know about my other co-star here. This is Beatrice. Beatrice is the name I gave her. I don't remember what the name is for the pattern. This is not my pattern. The other things I showed you were, but this is, I think it's Curiouspapaya. I'll link the pattern in the description box. But I made this for a competition 2 years ago, I think, 2 or 3 years ago, and it was supposed to be like that big. Yeah, I really wanted to make it in burlap blanket yarn, and I asked if I'd be disqualified, and she's like, no, I want to see that, so go ahead and do it. So yeah, so I made her in burlap blanket yarn, like 10 times the size she's supposed to be, and 8mm hook. I think it's an 8mm. Anyway, yeah. So Beatrice is special to me. She sits on top of my bookshelf because when I lived in Alaska, I like to go to Beluga Point, and it's exactly what you think. You get to watch the beluga whales play, basically, and it was really fun. Will you please stay? Thank you. It was really fun to go and watch them, so I had to make her. I made her a while ago, but I've never shown her, so I thought you guys might want to see her. Plus, we're in my bedroom where she resides, so. I don't know if I've shown this little guy. I made him a few months ago. I was testing out a crochet book, but I made this for my friend who's expecting a little boy. I'm going to do a review on this book. I really, really liked it. I thought it was a wonderful book for beginners especially, so I am going to do a review on the I don't remember what it's called. Well, I'll remember. So this is the little stork with the little baby basket. Ooh. So this one was really fun. So it doesn't look like I've made much, but that's not true. You guys, the thing I made, my Broadway bear, it took a lot of time. I'm really, really proud of how it turned out, but whew, it took a lot of time. And I tried to make 2. That didn't happen, but I tried really hard. I am making an Ursula bear, just because. For Howard Ashman, for Pat Carroll, just, Ursula's an amazing villain. I mean, she's crazy, but she's fun, and when I saw that Build-A-Bear had this cute little bear, and I'm not talking about the one that came out this year, I'm talking about the one that came out, I think it was their 30th anniversary or something. Build-A-Bear made an Ursula bear. If I remember, I will show you. And so I've been trying to make my own pattern and make my own Ursula bear. Her tentacles are taking a while. So, I don't know. Do you guys want to see the pieces I've made? Okay, so we have paws, arms, and ears and snout. Ears and snout, head, neck, and shoulders. So, you know, something like that. And part of her body. Yeah, she's gonna be large. I mean, I expected her to be around the size of the regular Broadway bears, but because I changed the stitch count and stuff so that she would be a little bit bigger, she's also taller now too. So, yeah. But that's going slower than I'd like. Yeah. I really want to get the body done so I can put everything together, because I really want to do the face and the hair. I just think that part will be really, really fun. And then I have to make 6 tentacles. Well, actually, 4. Yep, I'm making 4 tentacles because these count as tentacles. And also, in true animation form, she only has, I'll show you, she only has 6 tentacles. Why? It was cheaper to draw it that way. So she's not an octopus, she's a squid. I wish I could insert the little, I don't know how to do any of that. I wish I could insert the little clip of Pat Carroll talking about why they changed it and stuff. I just love the way she tells it. So that is everything that I've crocheted in the month of May, besides my Broadway bear, which I can't show you. I mean, I could, but I'm not going to. I worked really hard on it, and I think it's worth the surprise, so you'll have to come back. Now, if you would like to stay for the personal health stuff, you're welcome to. If not, I'm so glad you stopped by. Thank you for watching. Okay. A lot of you have asked what happened. It's a very good question. We're not sure. We have suspicions, but even if we're right, the doctors are like, well, my favorite answer in the world. Besides the fact that it's painful and exhausting, oh my goodness. When you're in so much pain for so long, and then your body feels a little bit better, but then it's exhausted beyond belief because it has to recover from dealing with all of that. So I'm tired. I'm fatigued. I'm so tired. And I'm tired all the time. In a lot of my videos, you know, if I ever seem tired, I am. This is what I go through hourly. But episodes like that, I wouldn't say they're rare. That's not true. They're just not as common, thankfully, and they're just tough to deal with. So, some people have asked me to like describe what my pain feels like. Just imagine a lot of pain for a very long time. There's nothing you can do about it. And sleep is your only escape. Okay? Because my body is trying to recover, I can't promise a lot of videos this summer. Now I know that's, 3 months, but I do have a few videos that I've made, and they're fine. I am going to try and have a little bit more Spoonie content on here because I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. You know, there is stuff that is not crochet related, and I think that it's important. Like some products that literally have changed my life, and I am not sponsored. I just think people should know about them because doctors couldn't do stuff for me that this stuff could, and it's natural and it's healthy, and why not? So I'm gonna try and have more of that on here. Whew. So that is the video. Just forgot what to say. Right. Please turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I don't stick to a schedule. I'm a spoonie. I can't do that. So please turn on that bell or you'll miss a video, and you may not want to do that, especially, the new Broadway bear one. That's pretty awesome. Just saying. You don't have to be a Broadway fan to like the bears. Just saying. Anyway, don't forget to oh dear. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. Please come on back. I would love to have you. I am at 975 subscribers. Blows my mind. I was happy with 300, but no, you guys just keep coming, and yay, I'm glad you like it. I know there's a million other channels out there that you could watch, and you choose to watch me, and that's so sweet. Thank you. Remember, everybody, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.